How to add bank account on PayPal. Are guys facing issues to add bank account on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this wallet. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for add credit cards. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for banks, debit and credit cards. Click on banks. Once you click on it, tap and go to our website. Once you enter the website, you need to log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you will be able to link your bank account, and that's how you're going to link your bank account on PayPal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.